What's up guys, my name is Joe and today we're taking it a little bit traditional. We've got a mirror situation going on. So this is actually a mirror. Here's my real hand. Back in the day we used to do a lot of mirror hair tutorials. So we're doing something similar today and I thought, you know what? Let's talk about second day hair. So by now a lot of people understand about trying to wash your hair as little as possible, as in like don't put shampoo throughout your hair every single day. So then the question inevitably rises, well, what am I supposed to do on days when I don't wash my hair? Well, that's what I'm dealing with today and what I wanted to show you guys exactly what I do to get my second day kind of greasy, kind of dirty, grungy looking hair looking fresh and as if it's just been simply washed and looking clean again. It's actually a very simple process. I'm sure all of you guys are going to be able to follow along just fine, but let's talk about what I do normally so that you can see what's different for my second day, as in days when I don't wash my hair. So normally when I'm styling my hair, I'll use some kind of hair oil with my pre-styler. So original being the pre-styler, the unreleased BluMaan oil being the oil that I've been using for about a month now. The reason why oil is so beneficial on clean hair is because you've just washed your hair, so your hair doesn't really have a lot of natural oil buildup. Adding in a little bit of oil just helps to rejuvenate your hair, helps to add some moisture back, and it helps it to just be soft and more controllable. So that's how I normally style my hair, and then of course I use a finishing product. Yesterday, which is what you're seeing here, I used some Cavalier. So everything that's in here is a bit of oil, some original, and some Cavalier. Went about my day, went to bed, I woke up, and this is where we're at. Just to show you that this process really works, I'm gonna take a little bit more oil, which is not something I would normally do. So I'm gonna make my hair even more oily, even more kind of greasy. And this is replicating maybe day 3 or day 4 hair now. All right, so if I get nice and close, you might be able to see that my hair, I can definitely feel it. My hair is more oily, it's more shiny, it feels dirty, and I don't like it. And by the way, yes, the other question I get is, do I sleep with hair products in my hair? Almost all the time, I sleep with the product that I had from the day before. I go to bed with that, I'll wake up with it. This is how we do it. We start out, get to your sink, adjust your water temperature. Of course, by the way, you don't just have to do this in the sink. You can do it in the shower. If you're gonna shower in the morning and not use shampoo, you're still getting your hair wet. So that's what we're doing here. First things first, just get your hair as wet as possible. Get rid of as much product as possible. So that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, at this point, hair's all wet. Time to towel dry. It's nice and easy, everybody. It's nice and simple so far. By the way, we've got our BluMaan email list down below where we're giving away monthly BluMaan products for free to people who are subscribed to the email list, along with other exclusive content that you can't find here on the channel. So if you want to check that out, I'll have that linked down below. At this point, our hair is towel dried and it's time to style. So what I would normally do, like I said, I'd usually go in with a bit of oil first, and then my pre-styler. But since my hair already has natural oil buildup at this point, I'm gonna skip the first step. I don't need any, excuse me, don't need any hair oil. And the second thing that I do differently on day 2 hair so far is I use either half or even less than half the amount of pre-styling product that I would normally use. Since we didn't use shampoo, I still have a decent amount of hair product left in my hair, and if I keep adding more and more hair product, I'm just gonna weigh it down and continue adding to the grease factor, which is what we're trying to get away from. So instead, with original, I'm just gonna literally take a little smidgen just to help with some control, but try to minimize on that product buildup and that grease effect. Obviously emulsify and spread it all over the place. If you have really thin hair, by the way, you might not even need to add any pre-styler on second day hair at all. You might just be able to get away with the product that's already in your hair. So that's something that you'll probably have to experiment around with and see what works best for you. The next step is simply the same as what I would normally do. It's time to style your hair. Since my hair is getting longer, I've been doing more of the side swept because the volumized pushback look for me at this point just looks kind of funny. It doesn't really work that well. So I go for kind of this more side swept one, a little bit of volume over here and then swoop it over at the side. So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair in place and check that out and then we'll move on. In person, again, I'm not sure how much is coming through on camera, but I can tell and I can especially feel the grease still. It's still kind of shiny and grungy and dirty looking. So the next step, this is the best step. This is the transformative step, everyone. This is where you really see the difference. It's with this guy right here. Dry shampoo. I talked about it before, especially the Batiste brand. It's my favorite type of dry shampoo on the market. At least favorite spray bottle dry shampoo. I'll of course have it linked down below. What you want to do, take some of this. It doesn't matter what the flavor or smell is. Most Batiste dry shampoos just work the same. Grab it, shake it up a little bit. I'm gonna open up my hair a little bit so that the dry shampoo can get down to my roots, and then just kind of spray gently because this stuff is powerful. The amount that you want to use is going to vary a lot on how thick and how much hair you have. So just keep that in mind. As you can see, it's very obvious at the moment. So now we're going to mix it in, and this is where the magic truly happens. Boom. It's crazy. I hope that you can see the difference in camera as much as I can see it in person. And especially like feeling my hair. My hair now, it does feel a little bit powdery, which is a feeling that goes away pretty soon, within like the next 5 to 10 minutes. But other than that slight powdery feeling, my hair feels super clean. It feels lightweight again, like it just absorbed a bunch of the product that was in there. It's not greasy anymore. It looks and feels clean. At this point, in terms of my second day hair routine, we're pretty much done. I'm just gonna top it off with a little bit of Cavalier, which is the same product that I used yesterday for my first day hair. Now that my hair looks and feels clean, it's fine for me to add in this heavy stuff because Cavalier Clay is heavy. It's great for people with thick hair, such as myself, for people who need help controlling their hair into place. So the blow dryer took care of a lot of that for me, and now this product is just gonna add in that texture, that definition, and that all-day hold and control. Like you can see that, check that, boom. Boom, Cavalier, missiles. It's great stuff, is what I'm trying to say. And there you pretty much go. Aside from the semi-awkward length of my hair at the moment, you can see that it's all looking in place again, unlike at the beginning of this video. I'm getting my little swoop going on. I've got a nice part going here. My whole area, like all of my hair is clean and in place. It looks, it feels, it smells fresh. Second day hair, avoiding shampooing all the time is not as hard as people might think it is. Skip on the hair oils, the serums, anything that will add additional oil to your hair. Use less pre-styler than you normally would. Blow dry your hair, and the king of the crop when it comes to second day hair fixtures is dry shampoo, especially again the Batiste brand. You can check that out down below. Once you get through the dry shampoo, use any finishing hairstyling product that you normally would. Cavalier is of course a fantastic way to go. Also found down below in the description. I need to breathe between my sentences. But other than that, what can I say? I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's lunchtime for me. I haven't eaten today and I'm low on energy. So I'm gonna go do that now that I've got my hair all fixed up. It's ready for me to go. Thank you guys for watching. Again, we've got that email list down below for free monthly products, BluMaan products. Hope you learned something. Subscribe if you're new. Smash that like button. It's right there or here, somewhere around here. With that said, I'll see everybody next time.